have told Times Now that power politics will now shift from Bengaluru to Delhi. It is learned that the party is waiting for the return of Rahul Gandhi, who is currently abroad, and once he returns to Delhi, the Karnataka Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar will be called to Delhi to discuss the Karnataka crisis. My colleague Neha Hebale is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Neha, there have been a lot of questions. Will it happen? Will it not? There have been assertions that there will be a change. Then there were suddenly assertions that there won't be any political change in Karnataka. Does it all now lie on what Rahul Gandhi decides? Mallikarjun Kharge himself saying that it's the High Command who will decide.
Well, Pratibha, it sure seems like that at this point in time, because, if we are, of course, talking about the developments here, you had the senior leader of the AICC coming down to Karnataka, Randeep Singh Surjewala, denying any change of leadership. But now our sources, of course, telling us at this point that both the senior leaders, the Chief Minister as well as the Deputy Chief Minister, would possibly be called to Delhi, where talks would be held with the Gandhi family, after which, of course, final decision here would be taken. What really remains to be seen at this point in time, of course, is whether at all this change of guard or this change of leadership that's, of course, being spoken about over here would impact the governance in the state at all. Because remember, the opposition parties, of course, right now in the state have been hitting out at the government, saying I beg your pardon, that their focus right now, of course, has shifted from retaining the chair, from retaining the chief ministership, to actually not really being able to provide governance on ground, not being able to provide administration or development.
Okay, all right. Randeep Surjewala was deputed to Bengaluru. He held meetings with several MLAs as well. Stay with us, Neha. Let's tell our viewers that this development comes even as the Congress party has asserted that all is well and that there is no discussion on a leadership change in the state. In fact, when asked about these speculations regarding the chief ministerial change, even D.K. Shivkumar said that there is no leadership change. And interestingly, while speaking to Times Now, D.K. Shivkumar said that a message had come in from Rahul Gandhi that this year should be devoted to the organization building. He, in fact, took the name of Rahul Gandhi first and then spoke about Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress chief, as well. Listen in.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi has clearly given a message, and Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, that this is a year of ordination in Belgaum. That is the resolution passed in the working committee, which I was a part of that. So in the process, all of them are changing the district presidents. The DCC presidents will be given more strength.
So the AICC General Secretary in charge of Karnataka, Randeep Surjewala, who met the MLAs and the other party leaders in the state, also held this exercise, and he said that he does not want to involve any discussion on the change of leadership. Now, interesting, when he issued that statement, he said that we didn't have a change of leadership discussion at all, but he will be asking the MLAs if they want a change.
As per your question, I think I answered it right in the beginning. I framed it. This is an organizational exercise that is going on. You asked me whether this is a exercise for any change in leadership. The answer remains no.
So this clarification from the party came after the Congress MLA Iqbal Hussain had batted for D.K. Shivkumar to become the chief minister. Even after D.K. Shivkumar warned him, saying that he doesn't want any MLA to pitch his name as the chief minister, Hussain remained defiant and claimed that he would still stick to his stand. He has now been issued a show cause notice by the party, with an explanation being sought within a week. But here's what happened before the notice was issued.
ನಾನೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ನಾನೊಬ್ಬನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ MLAಗಳು, ಸುಮಾರು 100ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು MLAಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
There is no change of leadership, no discussion here. Any discussion is there only to build the party. Any MLA is giving statement. My chief minister also has said me, you don't worry, you issue showcase notice to all of them who are talking. I'm going to issue showcase notice to them.
Let them suspend me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't mind. I don't mind.
Sir, the Deputy CM says that he does not want any support from any of the MLAs.
That is his opinion. That is his opinion. If they want me to suspend, let them suspend. If they want me to give me notice, let them give the notice.
So the Congress MLA going on to say that the party is free to suspend him if they want, but it will not stop him from speaking the truth, which is that about 100 MLAs want a change in the chief minister. He took the name of DK Shivkumar and said that there are multiple MLAs who want to see him as the chief minister. So is the power tussle finally settled, or the party actually waiting for the High Command to resolve the crisis? Let's remind you of what the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge had said just 2 days ago.
Say that is in the hands of High Command. Say that is in the hands of High Command. Nobody can say here what is going in the High Command. Nobody can say here what is going in the High Command. This is left to the High Command. High Command has got power to take further actions.
So, in fact, politics over Kharge's statement continues even now when the BJP says that the Congress leaders see the Parivar or the Gandhi family as the High Command. The Congress party defended Mallikarjun Kharge's remark, saying there is democracy in the party as decisions are taken by the Congress Working Committee and other mechanisms which are in place.
मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष हैं, इतने सीनियर नेता हैं। अब जो उन्हें लगता है कि हाईकमान, उससे भी बड़ा हाईकमान कौन हो सकता है, लेकिन चूंकि पार्टी के परिवारवाद में उलझी हुई है तो उनको हाईकमान एक परिवार दिखाई पड़ता है।
खड़गे साहब ने कह दिया कि आला कमान फैसला लेगा। तानाशाही के लोग क्या जाने लोकतंत्र क्या होता है। हमारे यहाँ कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमेटी, पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड है, भाजपा की तरह नहीं है। वहां एक आदमी ने इशारा कर दिया तो कोई बैठे हुए आदमी को जिसको किसी का समर्थन नहीं हो वो मुख्यमंत्री नहीं बनता।
So this statement by Mallikarjun Kharge seemed to be throwing up questions. Who is the actual high command within the Congress party? And this comes at a time when there are already a lot of speculations on what could happen in Karnataka. The question is, could there be a change in the chief minister? Amid the discussions and amid Randeep Surjewala being in Bengaluru for these meetings with the MLAs, Mallikarjun Kharge says that he himself is not aware what could happen next because he says the final decision will be taken by the High Command. Does this mean that the party is waiting for Rahul Gandhi to return? That's a big question. If Rahul Gandhi, when he returns from his visit abroad, is he going to look at the crisis in Karnataka, and will a decision be taken then on what should be done next? Rahul Gandhi, as he returns, is likely to hold meetings in the national capital as well. As of now, the High Command has deputed Randeep Surjewala, who is also the Congress in charge, to Karnataka. He has been deputed there to hold several meetings with the MLAs, asking the MLAs on what is it that they want. Because remember, multiple MLAs have been making these statements. They've been saying that they want a change in the leadership in Karnataka. Many of these MLAs have also spoken about how they want a change in Karnataka because administration is suffering under Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. All right, we have more breaking updates now coming in. Amid Karnataka power play, B.R. Patil's